Hello, good morning. In this video, we will learn how to automate a process with email sending from PowerBI using Power Automate and Bookmarks, ensuring each email contains the specific view of the report we want to share. This method is perfect for daily report, sector monitoring, financial dashboard, or any scenario that requires scheduled automated process. As an example, we will use this Google Finance report and automatically send the consumer defensive sector view at market close every day. So first of all, we need to go to Power BI Desktop, apply all the filters to get the desired view, in our case, consumer defensive. We go to Bookmarks, create a bookmark view, and here we put the name we want, in our case, consumer defensive. Repeat all the views you want to send automatically. Bookmarks store the extract filter and visualization state for each report view. Once all the bookmarks are ready, we publish the report in a premium capacity workspace. After that, we open Dashboard in Power BI Service and check all the bookmarks in here. We extract the bookmark identifier from the bookmark link, which we will use in Power BI in Power Automate. Now in Power Automate, we have to create a new workflow. Okay, we set up the flow schedule in here and we put it, for example, in a daily at 7 p.m. on US time zone. After that, we need to go to add export to file for Power BI action. In here, we have all these options. We have to select the workspace first of all. After that, we are going to select the report in here, and the format is going to be PDF, okay? In here, in all the parameters, we set up the bookmark name. Using the identifier, we extract from the link. This ensures the report shows the bookmarks view before the exportation. And that is how we export from Power BI. Now we have to add the action send email, okay? In here, we specify the recipient, the subject, the body, all the things that you want, the user you want to send, and the text you want to put. After that, we have to attach the export PDF, and in here is just the file from the previous steps, and you have to make sure that the file name ends with .pdf. Otherwise, the attachment won't be sent correctly. You're gonna receive in another format, and it's not good for the user. It's not legible. And that's it. With this step, each recipient received the correct view of the report automatically. Emails are sent as a PDF files on a scheduled basis, and that's it. I hope this video helped you, and don't forget, please like, subscribe, and for more Power BI tips. See you on next video. Bye bye.